Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am so excited and late, but I'm always late. Let's be real here, nothing's ever gonna be up before launch unless it's Blend Bunny, because Blend Bunny has my heart. But regardless, we are reviewing the Lunar Beauty Siren Sunset collection, and I'm so excited. I did purchase the entire collection, which I don't know how much I paid for. So I bought the bundle. I think it was like 80 something dollars. I bought this while I was on my Epcot day. And if you didn't see, I did post like a little snippet of my Epcot day on my Instagram if you're like interested. But it's fun. I love that trip. It was very special to me, and this reminds me of the trip even though it has nothing to do with it, because I remember the reveal video coming out while I was there, and like I watched it and like I was like, oh my god, I need to buy this. And like I bought it while I was in the France pavilion. My boyfriend was in line for Ratatouille and I was getting drinks so we can drink in line, and it was such a good moment. I loved it so much. The ride was so cute. But yeah, the full collection retailed for $87. And you get the palette and 3 liquid lippies. I will swatch the liquid lippies, of course. And I guess we can do that first. The first shade I'm going to swatch is called Abyss. If you want to buy any of these shades, they retail for $18. Like how pigmented that is. My lip lines are not gonna be good, like at all. But this color is so pretty. It's so pretty. I tried to save it as much as I could, but I really like this color. I think for the fall time, this color is a slay. So this is the shade Abyss. Super dark. It's kind of like the washing me completely, but I really like this color. I think it's so pretty and I love the tone of it. And we're doing this first for a reason, because like I'm gonna look crazy. Also, I'm drinking a very watered down, what is this again? Venti Ice Sugar Cookie Almond Milk Latte. I currently cannot drink dairy, cannot eat dairy, cannot have cheese. Taking Manjaro, which I've lost like 18 pounds taking Manjaro. I cannot eat dairy, so I've been struggling to find things alternative to things that I used to love that I cannot eat. You know, and when I went to Disney, everything was super accommodating for me, but now it's just not that. The next shade I'm going to swatch is called Sailor. This is the like nude. I'm so excited because this just looks pretty. This is so pretty, but like it needs a liner. It needs a liner, but it's stunning. So this is the color Sailor. I really like the tone of this nude. It's very unique to me. I don't have a color like this. I definitely do think it needs a darker outer edge for me, but I really do enjoy the color of this. I feel like you need to be really light-handed with it. You don't need to coat your lips. One dip should be enough. This formula does not really dry down. It's like a demi matte kind of formula, so it's not transfer proof. It will transfer, but I do love this formula regardless of that. I think it is such a nice, beautiful, comfortable formula, and I love all the color options that he's been coming out with. They're all beautiful. He slays the lip products a lot of the time. The last shade is called Pink Pearl. This is probably my favorite shade. Probably gonna be my favorite shade. It's just such a unique, pretty, like pink color. Yeah. This one's gonna be my favorite. I think for the holiday season, this color is a win. This color is so unique. I don't think I have anything like it in my collection at all. This is just so pretty. I would wear this every day. This is so gorgeous. The tone of this is so unique. I need to find a liner that will match this, because I'm gonna wear this when we're done, because this is just so pretty. This color, Pink Pearl. Out of all of them, I think this is a win. Maybe layering Abyss and Pink Pearl. I feel like that's what we're gonna do. They're just so pretty. I think the tones would work so well. I'm so excited. I need to get my grip and I need to know what I'm gonna do with this palette, because it's pretty nice, pretty colorful, and I'm really like excited. I've been waiting to like play with this. So I filmed yesterday, I'm filming today. We're filming on the weekend because the time change has really fucked me up. Let's get into talking about this palette. I'm so excited. So this is the outer box. Beautiful packaging. Killed the packaging here. It's just stunning. Yeah, and then when you open it, another stunning packaging with the mermaid that's just insane. I love it so much. And then you open it, and then it somehow just gets even better when you open it. You guys know I have a soft spot for Lunar Beauty. Lunar Beauty was the first brand I reviewed on here. It's the first palette I filmed with and decided, you know what, we're gonna upload this. Was it the best choice? Probably. I don't know, because that video is probably so cringy I can't watch it. Don't watch it. You know, it's like full circle because I've bought in every single launch since, except for like powder. Like every palette launch, every collection. Because like this is just so pretty. Do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. But I'm so excited. These shimmers look incredible. And they have like this like mermaid pan embossing. I love. It says get lost at sea with Siren Sunset. This 18 color palette is filled with cool tones and jewel tones with different finishes from matte to shimmers to multi-chromes. The alluring color story will have men crashing ships for you. I love that little description. That's so funny. I love this palette. This palette retails for $55. You can use discount codes on individual items. Pink Pearl is described as a gold pink reflect duochrome. Shell is described as a neutral cool toned cream matte. Low Tide is a cool tone medium brown matte. Silver Sea is a pewter silver metallic shimmer. Siren Song is described as an antique gold metallic shimmer. Current is described as a cool toned gray brown matte. Starfish is described as a cool toned pink matte. Sea Witch is described as a duochrome silver purple reflect. Coastline is described as a gold multicolored chrome. Water Nymph is a blue-green reflect duochrome. Ariel is a turquoise matte. Merman is a deep sea green blue matte. Mystery is a cool toned gray matte. Siren is a purple blue reflect duochrome. Seductress is a vibrant cool toned purple matte. Alluring is a cool toned deep plum matte. Temptress is a blue purple multi-chrome. I was right. And Deep Sea is a deep sea blue matte. I want to do like one fun look and one neutral look, right? Because like that's like showing versatility, right? I hope. I think I'm gonna use tape again, even though I did use it for my ghost face look. We're taking it again, because why not? I don't like pumpkin spice, but I do like me some sugar cookies, and this drink is kind of fucking killing it, okay? I got it with some extra sugar cookie syrup. It tastes so good. It tastes like diabetes. I'm gonna prime my eyelids and we can get started on look number 1. I have like a weird red spot on my nose now. I don't know where it came from, but I've applied precision tape from Blend Bunny. We're gonna make like a nice sharp look here. The first shade I'm going to take is this shade called Starfish, and this is just gonna be like a nice little transition color because I'm gonna be playing with a lot of color and I don't want to get lost. So I'm just gonna apply this color as like the first layer to many, and that tape is gonna make sure that everything is just nice and not too messy moving forward. And for this look, I want to keep a lot of the color out. I want to keep the inner portion kind of empty. Like I want to lightly bring forth this transition shade into the front, but I want to keep it kind of light moving forward. And I don't want to overcomplicate the front of the eye, closing my eye off. And if you can hear any noise, I am so sorry. Hopefully you can't. Hopefully my mic is not picking any of the noise up, because my brother is like blasting music and it's not being very helpful right now. So we're gonna start playing with color. This is the scary part. I'm gonna take this shade called Seductress. I've been looking at the shade the entire time. You guys probably knew I was gonna take it. So I'm gonna take it on this like small packing brush, and we're gonna start by placing this color over here towards the end, bringing it kind of up and kind of towards the front of the eye, but not quite. We're also going to bring this out. We're going to wing it out. We're going to make it a whole moment. I'm using my ghost face mirror. Don't worry about the messiness. We're going to fix it. Everything will be fine. You see, like, this shade of purple is so pretty. We're going to go back into that first shade called Starfish, and we're going to use that to, like, blend this purple out and like make it more wearable. And we're gonna take that purple again just to bring it back. I feel like I'm losing it a lot when I'm blending. I'm just going literally back and forth until I get that blend just right? Because I want this look to look a certain way. I'm gonna take this shade called Alluring just so I can add that little bit more of definition that I'm kind of craving. And this is going like right on the end. Let's hope that when we peel this tape off, something good happens. Taking some NYX glitter primer, and I'm just gonna kind of tap this onto the lid, kind of like that empty lid space, so we can see some magic with these shimmers. I'm hoping for some magic. For shimmer, I'm gonna take the shade Temptress. I'm gonna take it on my finger. I'm so scared. Oh my god. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. The next shade I wanted to take is called Siren right here. Oh my god, that's stunning. The next shade I'm going to take is called Sea Witch. These shimmers are so buttery smooth and soft. Like really. He really like made them so soft. I'm just gonna take that first shade we took. I have a lot of fallout, but we can just clean that off. But that's really fucking pretty. Oh my god. There's one last touch I want to add. I'm gonna take the shade called Pink Pearl, and I'm gonna add that as an inner corner and a brow bone highlighter. Stunning. Okay, we're just gonna incorporate that into our look now. And on the brow bone. So I'm going to add a lash and I will be right back. Look at this eye look. I added the shade Alluring as like an inner corner to like complete the like siren eye vibe. This is what we have and I'm obsessed. I think this is my favorite Lunar Beauty eyeshadow palette to like ever be created. This is stunning. This is beautiful. I love it so much. So I'm gonna get started on look number 2, but I have no idea what I'm gonna do because how do I beat this? Because this is stunning. Like, this is stunning, dude. I don't know what the hell. So for look number 2, I think I'm gonna go for like a halo eye kind of a vibe. I'm gonna take an LBE 5 and I'm gonna take the shade Ariel, this green. And I'm gonna start by putting this shade in the inner and outer corners. I'm going to take a small little Allure blending brush and I'm just going to use this to like blend that shade out. Again, if you can hear any noise, I am so sorry. I'm kind of just blending the edges of Ariel out. Now I'm going to take the shade Merman, really dark, very pigmented. And I'm just going to tap this to make the halo eye more halo-y. Going back into the shade Ariel with the tiny brush. Just to like blend the edges out. I'm gonna go into my NYX glitter primer, putting that right in the center. I'm gonna go into the shade called Siren Song in the palette. I'm gonna pop this right in the center. Kind of trying to blend that out with my finger. Now I feel like I can leave it like this. This actually doesn't look bad to me, but I really want to take this shade called Water Nymph. It's like this like topper shade is what I can describe it as. It's like a duochrome and it has like a green kind of shift to it. And I want to apply it like right to the center to see just, oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, I completely transformed the entire look. I really, really like that. I think it looks so cool. So I'm going to take the shade Merman and I'm going to use that to line my top lash line. And as an inner corner highlight, I'm going to take, of course, the shade Water Nymph. It's going to be perfect. I'm going to put some lashes on, complete the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back so we can put on a lip. Alrighty, here is look number 2 completed. I absolutely love it. I also added some lower lash eyeshadow. For this eye, I did just go into the shade Ariel, and then on this eye, I did go into this shade called Seductress right here, and I thought that that really brought it together. And then for eyeliners, I took Piggy Bank from ColourPop on this eye, and then on this eye I took Catsuit. We need to go in with a Lippie. So for my lips, I want to take the shade Abyss and Pink Pearl, but I need a lip liner. If you didn't already see my short swatching all of the new $2 e.l.f. lip liners, go watch it. I put a lot of effort in that video. It's like a short. So I'm going to take the shade Plum and Get It from the new e.l.f. lip liner collection. And we're just using this to line our lips today. I'm going to take the shade Abyss now. Try to like line over that. And now I'm going to take this shade Pink Pearl. Hopefully this looks good. And I'm going to go right on the center. We'll see how that looks. It's a slay, and it's a good slay. And here is the final look. I feel like it's been a journey to get here. Just so we know, I'm obsessed. Okay? This was so beautiful. It was a beautiful journey to get here. I think Lunar Beauty has made my new favorite palette. This is stunning. Okay? I love the tones in here. And I was never a cool tone girly, but I've never been more of a cool toned girly until now. This is just 10 out of 10 on the palette. Beautiful. Came out stunning. I love the topper shades. I love the mattes. I love the tones. I love the cool tone mattes in there. I think they add to the shimmers and the colors in the palette. I think those shimmers were beautifully curated. I think it's a win. It's a win. It's a win. It's a win. The Lippies, I love these colors. I think they're so unique. It's a nice switch from like just your regular classic nude. I feel like these colors are still neutral, but they add like more of like a flare. I especially love the combination of Abyss and Pink Pearl, but if you can only get one from the collection, I think my favorite would be Pink Pearl. I think it's such a unique kind of pinkish tone. I love the color with Abyss, but I feel like any lip liner you own and this on top will still make for a very beautiful lip look, and I don't think you'd be disappointed at all. I'm overall really happy with this collection. I really love the looks I created, and I can't wait to play with this palette more. Did you guys pick this palette up? Are you thinking about it? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video and for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Do I not have like a little paper that tells me? No. Okay. Ooh, I love Lunar Beauty's liquid lipstick formula. If you want to buy any of these singular, if you want to buy these, like, it's already dark. The sun has set already and it's far. What the hell? Pink Pearl is described as gold pink with gold pink reflect duochrome. Silver Sea is a pewter silver metallic silver. Siren Song is an antique gold metallic Siren Siren is a purple blue reflect duo. I don't know what to take. Ooh. I'm trying my best not to rage out, but there's only so much I can do. So what did I think of the Siren Sunset collection from Lunar Beauty? I absolutely love this palette. The looks that I made with this palette are stunning, and I can't stop looking at myself. We're not done. We're not done. Why am I like this? I really love the look I created